Hi and welcome back, guys. Today I just want to do a quick video update on my Robinhood portfolio. Let's see how the day went. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment, educational purposes only. And I also just started a Patreon Discord group where I'm trying to find like-minded people to share ideas and try to help each other find the next hottest stock, as well as just learn and grow as an investor and trader. I have been trading for 2 years now, and I've lost a great amount of money in my first year. So I just want to be able to share that knowledge with people so they don't make the same mistakes. So if you guys are interested, check out my link down below. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. So today I am down 4%, but let's take a look at the 1 week. I'm still up 21%. 3 months up 57%, 1 year it's 81%, and all-time high is 81% because I just started this account last year. So I do like selling cash secure puts. If you are trading part-time, cash secure puts and cover calls are a great way to generate extra money without too much time looking at charts. Cash secure puts is essentially placing a limit order on a stock you wish to own. But instead of just waiting for the stock price to hit your buy price, why not receive a small premium? And then the opposite is selling cover calls, and that's essentially placing a sell limit. So when you place a sell limit, you just wait until the stock price goes up. Why not just collect a premium while you wait? So these are great strategies to do. So the only thing with this strategy, with selling cash secure puts, you need to have the collateral. And to calculate the collateral, what you would do is multiply 100 times the strike price, and the strike price is essentially the buy price that you want to get in at. So let's take an example of this that I sold. This is a 1 strike price. It's a cash secure put. And you know it's a cash secure put because 1, I have money in my bank. Secondly, it has a put. And if you take a look at the amount, it's negative. So when you're buying something, there's no negative sign in front of it. So I took the 100 times 1. Since there's 100 shares in one contract, all I had to put up was $100. So when I sold this cash secure puts, the stock was trading above $1 at the time. Right now, it's trading at 0.90. And I was able to receive $25 for selling this cash secure puts. So I received that premium up front, and no matter what happens to this option contract, I get to keep that money. And I can actually use that money to buy shares with that. So now my break-even price is 75 cents. So if I do get assigned, meaning I have to use the collateral, I would get assigned if a ratio is under 1 or at 1 at the end of the day on March 19th. We see the expiration date 3/19, which is this Friday. So most likely I would have to buy 100 shares at $1, which is fine with me because I was able to collect a $25 premium. And as long as the ratio is above 0.75, I will be profitable on this trade. And I have a lot of cents cash secure puts. Cents has a very high IV. Implied volatility means you will receive a high premium. I have a few that expires this week. I also sold one today. So let's take a look at this one. This is a 20% return, guys. I'm giving you guys a play that you guys can trade this coming week. So let's take a look here. This is a 3 strike price. It's a cash secure put. Do need the collateral of $300. We take a look at the average credit. I was able to receive $60 by putting up $300 in collateral. If we take a look at the calculator, we received 60, we put up 300. That's a 20% return. In a month, if this contract expires worthless, And I'm very bullish on cents, and I do believe the price will be above $3 by then. But if not, I was able to receive the credit, and my break-even price is at $2.40. What I'm going to do is sell more next week when I get more buying power from the ones that's going to expire this Friday. This is a great way if you just don't have that much time to be looking at charts, trying to find a good trade. Cash secure puts, find stocks that you don't mind owning, and finding ones that have high IV. And also, the ones I made a lot of money was AMC. AMC I got in back in December. This is a leap call. Leap calls are call options that are longer than 1 year. So every contract that I bought, it cost me $1.27. You multiply that by 100, which is $127 for every contract. So initially, I had bought 10 contracts back in December. Let's take a look here. Back in December, as you can see, I bought, my first one was December 16th. I bought more December 22nd. And then January 27th was when AMC went all the way to $20. And that's when I sold. So you can see my total is $10,850. That's how much I made. I made roughly $10,000 because I didn't really pay that much for those contracts. So I did make a decent amount of profits for a small amount of money that I put in. And right now, the IV, the implied volatility, is out the roof right now. So if you guys want to take a part of AMC, what you guys can do is sell cash secure puts. Let's take a look at this. If we go to trade, I am on Robinhood, trade options, and we want to go to either March 26th or April 1st expiration dates because March 19th is this week. Make sure it's sell and put highlighted. If it's not, then it's going to be a mess. Okay, the current price is at $12.98. Well, look, you can have a strike price of $12.50 and receive $82. That's actually not bad. If you go further out in expiration date, now you're looking at $192. $192 you will receive. You do need the collateral. The collateral is 12.50 times 100. That's $1,250 though. But if you are planning to buy 100 shares of AMC, why not sell a cash secure puts? So here's another thing. If you guys have 100 shares of AMC, what you can do now is sell cover calls. So instead of having the sell and put highlighted, you go to sell and call highlighted. And you would just choose a strike price that you don't mind getting rid of. So let's say 21, you would receive $81. So let's say you don't want to get rid of your shares at 21. What you can do then is just keep going higher as high as you can, and with the amount of premium that you're happy with. So 28 is the highest that I can go. With 28, I can receive $50 for every 100 shares that you guys are holding. I did sell some today. We can take a look at that. Let's go back. We'll just go to my AMC. So I have 200 shares. So you can see call, 21 call, 28 call, 25 call. So I sold 3 cover calls. Let's see how much I received for this one. $24 on one, $34 on another one, and $20 on one. So guys, if you're holding on to either 100 shares of any type of underlying stock, if you are holding on to leap calls or long calls, whether that is 3 or 6 months call options, you can also sell cover calls against them. So this is a great strategy to generate extra income. And let's see what else I have. Nokia leap calls down 2,500. And then we have Nokia shares 1,100 on that one. Sundial was up this morning. It's down only 6.79% today. 1 week, it is still up 4%. Let's see. Let's take a look at the 1 year. 1 year, it's up 139%. So my average cost is $173, and I'm not too worried about Sundial because the stock will go up. Stock goes up and down every single day. I am very bullish on the stock. And next one we have Lukewan. So I was down quite a bit on this last week. Now it closed at 147 and my average cost is 185. I do have 1,800 shares. So they are no longer going to get delisted this month, but there is still a chance that they will in May. So I do plan on getting rid of my shares around $2 if it does get there. If not, I might have to average down, but I don't want to take my chances waiting until May. That's all my positions in my portfolio. I am trying to build this account up to $100,000. So let's see if we can do it by the end of this year. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord group. We're just trying to create a community where we can just share ideas and find ways to grow our accounts together. And I will also be sharing my trades with you guys. The market go investor tier, and I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4. So you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.